In this video, we will begin to explore the Scenario Builder. The Scenario Builder can be accessed through any case with edit rights. Simply click on the Edit button and you can begin exploring the Scenario Builder via one of the tabs on the left-hand side. You can also access the Scenario Builder by building a new case. Select Create New, and then give the scenario a name. Use the case timer to set the time that you want the scenario to run for. By default, the timer is set for 15 minutes. The instructor has the ability to select the time that they want the scenario to run, up to a maximum of 2 hours. There are 8 different avatars to select from. There is a variety of patient body types, ages, and ethnicities. Just simply select the patient that you want to use for the scenario and select one of the 23 scenes to begin the scenario at. Instructors can run the entire scenario in the initial scene, or they can elect to have a second scene and have the patient moved or transported into the ambulance or into the emergency room or one of the other clinical settings. There are 3 different clinical settings: a clinic, an emergency room, and a hospital room. In the clinical scenes, the patients will be placed on a hospital bed. The system will save the information as you make changes. Thank you for watching this VR Patients video.